Morning, everybody. My YouTube tip today is going to be a simple one, I believe. Um, and that would be to start doing really hard things to break down your body. Um, I just started running for the New Year's, and New Year's Eve I ran for 45 minutes. Ran about what was it, like 3.9 or 5, 3.9 to 5 miles. I don't know. But then I decided to up the ante the next day and start running to work, which is 5 miles away in the middle of winter in northern United States. And it's not to brag. I'm saying how difficult it is because then I had to work my 9 hour shift and then run home. And my shift is a physical labor job. I operate a machine and have to move around a lot of material. And then I run home. Barely, we'll call it running because I can barely move by the time I get home. But I thought it was going to make it so I had less energy to do this type of stuff. But all it's done is made it easier for me to do YouTube. I don't know. It's like something's changed inside of me. Like I have more control over my decisions, and my body has like a lot less energy to fight back. I don't know. I think that's the main important thing. I'm also lifting weights and forcing additional constraints on myself, like this one. Just putting a lot of rules on yourself, really breaking yourself down, and just really putting yourself through the ringer is really making a huge difference. My rule today is I'm condensing my 5 minute videos into 2 minute videos, so this one's pretty wrapped up. I just hope you have a great day and try it out, man. Torture yourself a little bit, and then see the positive effects you're gonna get from that pretty quick. So that being said, have a nice day.